This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn futures closed higher on Friday as traders saw evidence of improving demand. There were a few sales to South Korea and Mexico last week, so we should see another decent weekly export sales number when that report comes out later this week. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading a penny lower. Soybeans closed lower once again on Friday, and if I'm not mistaken, that gives us 12 trading sessions in a row in which the March futures have closed lower. The losses were driven by favorable weather in South America and the ongoing spread of the coronavirus. Export demand has been on the low side for much of the past few weeks, and that is weighing on prices as well. In the overnight trade, however, spot futures are shrugging that off and are trading 2 cents higher as I record this. The wheat market traded lower on lack of fresh supportive news and diminishing buying interest on the part of speculators. Looking overseas, we have the Russian wheat crop last estimated at a record 79.5 million metric ton, and Ukraine's harvest was very good as well, currently pegged at 28.3 million metric tons. On Friday, we saw the EU wheat prices trade lower as well as the futures market here in the U.S. being down. In the overnight trade, that trend seems to be continuing. As I record this, Chicago was 4 cents lower, while Kansas City and Minneapolis are each down 2. Cotton struggled to end the week with March futures down 155 points as they settle at 67.50. Livestock markets offered up more negative than positive on Friday. April live cattle futures ended the day 52.5 cents lower, while March feeder cattle were up 42.5 cents for the session. Lean hog futures were trading with extended limits and unfortunately used part of that, with the April futures down $4.22.5 at the closing bell. Last Monday, lean hog futures opened at 71.57 and they closed on Friday at 61.60. It was a brutal week for lean hog futures as the unknown impact of the coronavirus brought panic selling into this market. Class 3 milk futures were lower for the second consecutive day, with February futures closing 20 points lower to settle at 17.14. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures bouncing slightly, trading 6 points higher as I record this. Cash livestock markets ended lower for the session. At the close, we had choice beef boxes 35 cents lower as they closed at $2.13 even, while selects were 82 cents lower, settling at $2.10.66. Pork carcass values continued to slide as they closed down $1.33 at $69.57 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.